Hi guys, thank you for watching. Please do sub and like and follow me on all my social media accounts. Hello and welcome back to the Massimo Peluso channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about how I reference at university. So referencing is something that takes time, not only to do, but to perfect, to understand. You know, you'll spend your whole first year learning. I look back on my referencing first year and it's not the best. It's not terrible, but it's not the best. And obviously second year had a lot more practice with it, critiques, and then obviously I'm in my third year now. And so with the referencing, what I use, I highly recommend. If you don't use this, then you're missing out like massively. Like this is like massive, and that is Google Scholar. So with Google Scholar, all you have to do is put in. So if you're trying to find a reference, so say you already referenced it, and oh, like I didn't, like you're going back to referencing, and you didn't have time to reference. Put in the name, so Massimo Peluso, or like, and so for example, Anne Oakley, and then you type in Anne Oakley, and then it comes up, and then, you know, then you click this little bit here, site, and then it has all the different styles of referencing, and that is, you know, like Vancouver, Harvard, Chicago, APA. Harvard and APA are the most common. I think we use Harvard at my university. And it has it all there. So if you want to manually type it, because I think some teachers are like, lecturers are like, oh, manually do it. And I know some people did, and I'm just here like, that takes hours, especially for like a dissertation. So what you do is you always have the name first. So it's the surname followed by the middle name followed by the first name. Sometimes they don't have middle names, which is fair enough. But yeah, that's normally how it is. And you put all the names in there. Or I think you can put the first name, and then if there's multiple people, like 10, 15, loads of names, you do et al, which is and all, and French. And so, yeah, and then followed by the year, and then you put the year, you do a full stop, comma, year, full stop again, and then you put the title of the topic, yeah, and then it's followed by the title of the source, the journal, the article, the study, which has to be indented, you know, it's like that. And then followed by the source. So for example, this, University of Pennsylvania, make sure it's capitalized, the U and the P, what page, what paragraph, what like area, what chapter, that sort of thing. But Google Scholar helped me so much. I didn't know about it in first year, I didn't know about it in first year, and I would manually type it in. So either do it yourself, which takes some time, or Google Scholar. Yeah, teachers in first year, they really harp on about you doing it yourself, you know, typing it in yourself, writing it yourself, because they want you to perfect how to reference. But I think once you know how to do it, which I do, just explained it, you can use websites to help you, Google Scholar. And that makes sure, you know, it has it down to the different, you know, styles of citing. Another thing, you have to put it in alphabetical order, the first letter. So for example, here, it would be like Clements, and then Krosno, which is C, and then F is the next one, Featherston, and then Matic. You know, all these names you have to put in order, the first word. And that's kind of it, really. I mean, it's up to you if you want to do it as you go along at the end. But yeah, once you've done it a few times, you get the hang of it, and also your teachers really focus on it first year, and they really teach you and show you how to do it. Don't feel like you'll be left in the lurch not knowing how to do it. You will fully understand how to do it. So I hope this video has been useful in some way. Please like, subscribe, and all the rest, and I'll see you in my next video.